So here are the questions. I gave you how many of these? I think 36 till 39, right? Okay. So looking at
So if we add one, the numerator by 2 and the denominator decreased by 3, the fraction key value will be 2.
okay. So if the numerator of a fraction is increased by 1, so x plus 1 over y gives you 1, yes?
Yes.
And if the numerator increases by 2 and the denominator is decreased by 3, so x plus 2 over y minus 3 is equal to 2.
Yes.
And you have to find x over y.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve करके try करो. What will be your first step?
So we will take the denominator to the other side.
Yes.
So it will be x plus 1 is equal to 1y, and x plus 2
Yes.
is equal to 1 minus 3. Y minus 3. Oh,
So
yes.
x plus 1 is equal to y and x plus 2 is equal to 2y plus 6.
Yes.
Okay. अब further क्या solve करेंगे? Let's
जी सर.
just put this here. Yes.
Yeah. It's going to be 2x plus 2 or 2x plus 8.
Okay. 2x plus 8 हो गया. अब क्या करेंगे?
So we will take 2, we will swap 2 and 2x.
So
Right?
we get, हम इसको यहाँ ले आते हैं and इसको यहाँ ले आते हैं. Right?
Yeah.
So minus 6 plus minus 6 is equal to x हो जाएगा. Yes.
Yes.
अब अगर हम इसको यहाँ इनपुट कर दें तो हमें y मिल जाएगा.
So it will be
So y is equal to
-7.
-7. X plus 1 है.
Oh, x plus 1.
So
-5.
so the value is x is minus 6 over 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Try solving 37 on your own.
Okay.
Sorry, there's been a mistake. This is minus 6. Okay. So what you'll get is x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4, which will give you x is equal to 6. Okay. And then you can plug this value यहाँ पे, which will give you y is equal to 7.
7.
So the fraction is x over y is 6 over 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Try solving 37. How far did you get?
So I'm almost done.
Can you tell me what did you make the equation?
So it will be 4x plus 2y is equal to 290.
Okay,
And
so you took this as x and you took this as
yes,
y. Okay. So 4x plus 2y gives you 290. Yes. Second
yes,
one,
y minus 50 is equal to x.
if an exercise book calls cost 50. So x is 50 more than a ball pen. Yeah. So
Yeah,
x is equal to y plus 50, or x minus 50 is equal to y.
yeah.
Either way. Okay. Find the cost of each ballpoint pen and each exercise book. Okay. So you're putting y here.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay. Find the values and let me know. We'll do 38 and then we'll start mensuration.
Okay.
Okay.
So the answer is x is equal to 65 and y is equal to 15.
So you got what values again?
X is equal to 65 and y is equal to
Yeah,
15.
exactly. Can you do 38 now?
Yes.
What equations did you make?
2x plus 3y is equal to 135. 5x plus 7y is equal to 330.
Right. So you're doing substitution or elimination.
Elimination.
So you'll multiply this by what? Or this?
Actually, no, I'm doing substitution. Sorry, not
Okay,
elimination.
okay,
I
okay, sure.
I made y the subject. Y is equal to 135 minus 2x over 3.
Okay.
And
So
I'm putting the value in the second equation.
okay, so you're okay.
So I found the answer.
Okay.
So 3 fountain pen is 135 RS, and 4 rulers is 60 RS.
We're doing
38.
38, right? So how much is three fountain pens?
135.
125. And four rulers?
60.
60. So when you give the
135.
answer,
135.
135, right?
Yeah.
So when you give me the answer, you will tell me these add karke because it says and, right? So you'll tell me it
Okay.
costs $195 total. And if they ask you for the reason, you will say one pen costs how much?
45.
45. And one ruler costs
15.
15. So that's how I'll do it. Okay.
Okay.
So try question number 39 as well, and then we'll start mensuration.
Okay.
Can you tell me the questions that you made, the equations that you made?
Um, so for A, it's 3s plus 2t is equal to 200. This is the second equation.
3s plus 2t is equal to 200. Yeah.
And s is equal to 30, and I'm finding t.
Okay. S is equal to 30. Exactly.
T is equal to 55.
T is equal to 55. Makes sense. Say, good. Okay. Let's move on to mensuration. अच्छा mensuration के बारे में क्या idea है? What do you know पहले से? What are you doing अभी? So 2D and 3D sets.
So what did you say? Can you repeat it?
What are your prior knowledge about mensuration?
So it has like something to do with circles and like area, volume, arc length, वगैरह, sector area.
Yeah. So it's got so it's got 2D and 3D shapes and उनका perimeter and area, right?
Yes.
Perimeter area होगा 2D shapes का and you have 3D shapes. उनका क्या होता है? उनकी क्या values निकलती हैं?
Sorry, sir. What did you say?
What do you do for 3D shapes? उनके अंदर क्या करता है?
We define the volume.
You find the volume, and what's another thing that you find?
The
Surface area.
surface area.
Okay. So here are some basic shapes. Talking about perimeter. Perimeter is the surrounding or boundary of a shape. Okay.
Okay.
So boundary of a shape meaning the outer. Oops. Right. So this outer tracing is what you would call the perimeter.
Yeah.
Whether it's a circle, whether it's a square, whether it's a rectangle, right? Whether it's a triangle, the outer boundary is called the perimeter. So when we're talking about area is the amount of surface occupied by a two-dimensional object.
Yeah.
And when we're talking about volume, it's the three-dimensional space occupied by a solid object.
Yeah.
And it's measured in cubic units. Okay.
Yeah.
While surface area and area are measured in
Square.
squared units. When we're talking about polygons, you've got different shapes. When we're talking about quadrilaterals, you've got parallelograms, a rhombus. What is the difference between a parallelogram and a rhombus? Can you tell me that?
Um, so in the
In,
parallelogram, there
yeah.
two both like the two sides, upper niche
Yes.
wali side or maybe they
Yeah,
are
yeah.
equal
In a parallelogram or in a rhombus?
in a parallelogram. Like the upper niche wali side, they're
Yeah.
equal. और जो
Yeah.
side वाली side है ना वो दोनों equal है.
So you can say there are two pairs
Yeah,
of equal sides,
yeah,
right? Two pairs kyun? Because there is one pair and then there is the other pair, right? And if you're talking about rhombus, all sides are equal,
yeah,
right? Rectangle ke andar all sides are not equal. You again have two pairs of equal sides.
both sides.
Triangles ke andar you have different types of triangles. This is a right angle triangle.
Yeah.
This is probably an isosceles, right?
Yes, sir.
Because these two sides look equal. And then this is probably a scalene type of triangle, right?
Yeah.
So the formula for all of these is dependent on height. For a triangle, it will be half base into height. For all of these, it will be base into height, right? So half, sorry, not half, just base into height, BH. For all of these, it will be half BH. For these, it will be sum of parallel sides multiplied by h. So half into a plus b into h. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have other polygons. Right. You have these
Trapezium क्या है
polygons.
सर?
Sorry.
ट्रेपीजियम में क्या फॉर्मूला था ऊपर आपने लिखा है?
Trapezium is half base into height, right? So half sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are these parallel sides because you know that they are moving parallelly, and multiply that by the height. So sum of parallel sides multiplied by height multiplied by half. Okay.
Okay.
Now when you're talking about polygons which are multidimensional, it's best that you divide the shape into more manageable pieces and then work your way through. For example, I could divide this into two triangles, yeah?
Yeah.
I could divide this into two triangles and a rectangle. Yep.
Yeah.
I could divide this into a triangle and a somewhat of a trapezium. Okay.
Okay.
Depending on the question, whatever they give us, we can follow the appropriate method for it, right? Now, this is a compound shape. What would be the method you would employ in order to find its area?
So first we will find the area for the rectangle and the triangle.
Yes. So you've got the rectangle here and
Yeah.
you have the triangle here. So what is the area of this rectangle?
It's going to be 7 to 5, which is 35.
Okay. And what is the formula for the area of this triangle?
1 by 2 into base into height.
And what's the base?
5.
5. Exactly. Because it will match here. So here till here is 5
Yes.
into 6. So you have 15.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yes, 15. 15. And so what's the total area now?
15 plus 35. So 50.
So if we do questions from here, we can't measure these. So let's leave that there. Calculate the perimeter of each of the following shapes. Can you give me the perimeter for
Yes.
A and B?
Sir, A is 13.75
Okay.
and B is 6.
How much is this again?
A,
A.
sir, 13.75 because we will multiply 2.5 times 5.5.
I don't want the area, I want the perimeter.
Oh, so it's 35.25.
It's how much?
Wait, I did it wrong. Sorry.
I can't hear you. So A, the perimeter is,
Is it 16? A.
yes,
B.
16. So 5.5 here, 2.5 here, and you add all of these. So you get 16. For B, what would you have?
3 plus 4 plus 5, 12.
Yes. Okay. For D,
D. Um,
and give me the area for this as well.
okay. One
So
second.
look at how many sides you have. You've got one side, two side, three side, four side, five side, six side. So you'll have six terms, right?
Yes. So we can divide it into two rectangles, right? Can we?
Yes, you can. But give me the perimeter first and then the area.
Okay. So the perimeter is 38.
Yes. And what's the area?
Area, I'm still finding it. One second. So the area is 38.
The area is 38. Okay, let's see. So you have, let's say you divide it by here and you get 2 by 9, which is 18. And you have 2 by 8 because यहाँ से यहाँ तक का लेंगे. Yeah. So 2 by 8, which is 16. So the area is 16 plus 18, which gives you 34. And when we see the perimeter, so the perimeter is 2 plus 9 plus 10 plus 9. The perimeter is 38,
Okay.
but the area is 34. Try solving E the same way. Give me the perimeter and the area.
So I found the perimeter, but I can't find the area.
Okay, so what is the perimeter?
33.1.
33.1. So this is 1.9, 2.5, 8.4. And how much is this length
Which one?
from here to here?
Um, so इधर ढूंढा नहीं मैंने. एक second. So it's 0.3. No, wait, actually. So 1.9.
1.9. Let's see. You have 2.5 here. and you've got 2.8 here, and you've got 7.2 here. So 7.2 minus 2.5 plus 2.8. How much?
1.9.
Oh, so you've got 1.9. Now, what is the total?
35.
35. Let's see. So you've got 2.5 plus 8.4 plus 7.2 plus 8.4 plus 2.8 plus 1.9 plus 1.9 plus 1.9 plus. Okay, that's where we end, which gives you 35. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Say now, if I want you to get me the area for this, now you have two methods. You can take out this big rectangle and subtract the small rectangle, right? Or you can take out individual rectangles, make this into three, or in any shape that you want, you can do that. Whatever one is easier for you, do that and let me know.
So is the answer 56.87?
Is the answer 56.87? Exactly. Okay. What's the time? It's 9:6:14. Okay. Find the area for A, B, C, and D. उसके बाद, if you have any further, if you want to continue, we can continue. नहीं तो फिर हम ये यहाँ end करेंगे. And then we'll continue with 3D objects next time. Because this is pretty much it for 2D objects. यहाँ पे फिर हम circles पे आ जाएंगे और फिर we'll be ending with what we have. Okay.
Okay.
So try A, B, C, and D, and then we'll end for today.
So I've done it.
Okay, how much did you get?
A is 55, B is 15,
Hmm.
C is 10, D is 2.24.
So A is 55, B is 15,
15,
C is
10,
10, and D is
2.24.
2.24, because half into 3.2 into 1.4.
Yes.
Okay. So do you want to do any more questions for today या फिर यहाँ end करना?
So can we do like एक और क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं?
Okay. Let's do something different. Let's go for something a bit more challenging. Look at this question. What are they asking again? Are they asking for... Yeah, they're asking for the area, right?
Yes.
So what will you do for F?
So we will divide it into two triangles or triangle नहीं rectangles.
Parallelograms. Two parallelograms. Okay. सही है. Good. And then what do you do?
We will so we know the base and the height.
Yeah. So you'll have height multiplied by base, right?
Yes.
Base, what will you take at the base?
3.8.
3.8. Yeah.
So I'm getting the answer 145.16.
Okay. And अगर हम ये देखें उसके बाद वाला क्वेश्चन जो इसके अंदर क्या करोगे जी के अंदर?
So in this, so wouldn't we count this as a trapezium?
नो, राइट एंगल्स है ना सारे.
Oh yeah. So we can divide it into three triangles.
Yeah. Why would you do for three triangles? um, अगर हम इसको यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज बना दूं, can you remove this from the equation and get the answer?
Yes.
Okay. You can add something, right, and then subtract it later as well.
Yeah. So ये जो mensuration, is this a part of paper 2 or the other paper?
Depends on the question. If it requires the use of a calculator, then it will be paper 1, or else it will be paper 2.
Okay, so like this ये जो exercise है ये paper 2 की है या फिर
This would be paper 2. This would be paper 1, sorry. Paper 2 calculator नहीं है ना. This would be paper 1.
Sir, I'm getting 44.54.
So what did you do?
So I found the area of the whole shape, which
Yeah.
is 7.84 times 8.53.
Yep.
Then I
And
found
then
the area of the smaller shape, which is
okay.
which is going to be a 1.82 minus 7.84. Then we will.
Yes. और आपको हाइट तो दी हुई है आंसर इसको आपको वन sorry half multiplied by this and the subtraction between this and this. Okay. And bigger shape जो होगा उसके अंदर आपको खाली इन दोनों को multiply करना होगा, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Any further questions?
No, sir.
Okay. अभी इसको यहीं तक रखते हैं.
Yeah.
We've done some questions अपने वाले भी. You can do these questions as homework. ये वाले जो हैं part C, D and E. अच्छा E के लिए I'll just give you a hint. This is a rectangle and this is a triangle. So you'll take this as the base of this triangle and the height you will take as this much. Okay.
Okay.
So
सर ये
there
हाइट
is the
कितनी होगी
hint.
ट्रायंगल की?
Sorry. ये हाइट यहाँ से यहाँ तक
ओ
होगी.
या मिल गई मुझे. समझ
Okay.
गया.
और ये जो होगा ये आपका बेस हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Okay. Any further questions?
No, sir. सर एक सेकंड शॉर्टेज में.
Clear. So your homework is C, D, and E.
Okay. I took it.
Okay. So let's end here. Office.
सर एक सेकंड ये मैं अगली क्लास से पहले भेज दूं या फिर क्लास के दौरान भेजूंगे?
It's on you.
Okay.
अगर आप पहले भेज दो it's good. अगर आप बाद में भेज दो it's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Office.
Allah.